Okay, I want to do 11.6 number 13. Says I've got natural log of 3m minus 7 is natural log of 2m plus 9.
Yeah.
Can
And
you
you were saying?
subtract one from the other?
Oh.
Like move the whole thing over?
That would be really mean, and I wouldn't do that.
That is totally correct, and yeah, I'm totally with Ethan on that one. Don't do that.
Why?
You're
It
beating
works.
yourself up real hard.
So, let me do it the easy way first, and then we can try it that way for a second. It's totally valid. It's not a problem. It will totally work. It will, however, be a headache. The thing you want to do to both sides is get rid of the natural logs, right?
Cancel them, right? Because they're both on.
So how do I get rid of natural logs?
Raise them,
10.
put them on top of the raise them.
Yeah, I need to do e to the stuff, right? Keep in mind, these are function names, right? So in the next step, I've got 3m minus 7, right, equals 2m plus 9. The thing I did wasn't divide by ln. You guys all see that? That would be totally crazy. That's dividing by the name of something, right? You guys all see that?
Yeah.
There is a slight tendency to try to do crap like that. Remember, this is just a label for something you're doing to this stuff.
Sure.
So it doesn't make any sense to divide by it because it's not a quantity, it's a label. But what I'm doing is undoing it with this e to the stuff function.
Do you know what the stuff
Multiplying e to the stuff?
Two.
So I'm putting both sides in the exponent of an e. Let me write that down.
is? In there.
So I'm putting an e, and then I'm putting this stuff in the exponent. The natural log of 3m minus 7. And then I'm putting is, and I'm putting an e, and in the exponent of that, I'm going to put the other side.
Okay.
Now
Okay.
the base is matching. Now we can.
Now this base and that base match, right?
Yeah.
The base on the natural log is e, and I'm doing e to that stuff. So those two things undo one another. And these two things undo one another. And so I get 3m minus 7 is 2m plus 9. Right, and like frickin' magic, the logs are gone. Right? But it wasn't magic, I did e to the stuff to both sides.
Well, I still don't understand this. It's so magic.
I
Kind of.
cast the spell of e to the stuff.
Yeah, I cast e to the stuff on both sides. And it has to be on both sides though, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so once I'm here, and this is good practice, you might notice where this kind of thing comes from. So where does this kind of object appear? In other words, what kind of chapter thing is this?
Every single.
Yeah, this is like an Algebra 1 thing.
Like one is that line, and the other one.
Yeah, so this is wondering, yeah, very nice. What is this line, that line? You see that?
Yep.
Right, this is a line with slope 3, intercept -7. This is a line with slope 2, intercept +9. We could even draw that. Maybe we should. But what do I do?
No.
Move this 7 to add 7.
Okay, you're going to add 7. So I've got 3m is 2m plus
So 16.
16, and then you're going to
Subtract.
subtract 2m. So that looks like I've got m is 16.
It solves itself.
You don't have to check.
Yeah, and then I don't have to check this one? Do I? Probably not. If I was going to check this one, what would I be looking for? I mean, I could go plug this in, right, and do this
Yeah.
calculation.
Thing, if one of those equals 0, right?
Yeah, really, I'm just concerned about this stuff in here and wondering if it's 0 or negative, right?
That's a not.
And 16 times 3 is way bigger than 7, so I'm okay with this.
Yeah.
And on this side,
Yeah.
that's all positive anyway.
Yeah.
Cool?
Cool.
Should we draw the lines?
Yeah.
Okay, let's draw the lines and then we'll do it the other way. This one will be super fun. We're going to get lots of stuff. So,
Super fun.
how do you draw 3m minus 7?
Start at -7.
Start at negative, where's negative 7?
Go down 7.
From where?
So 0, 0.
Okay, so I'm starting at negative 7, and I'm going
Up 3 over 1.
up 3 over 1, up 3 over 1, line. Okay, and the other one?
Straight lines.
I know.
Sick.
Lots of
Up
practice. So up 9. Up 9, and
Up
I mean, you
to.
could
Down.
up 2 over 1.
Yeah. So up there somewhere.
Yeah,
is
I mean that
16.
seems legit, right? It's a
Yeah.
ways out there, but not like super far. Yeah, 16 probably could be the answer. You guys see that?
Mhm.
We're getting the m value, right? So this is our, what axis is that? Yeah, that's the m axis. And this is like the other axis, which we didn't label. Probably y or whatever. Should we try the other way? Crazy way?
Yes.
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 Okay, so I'm going to write the crazy way in red to denote that this is not a recommended thought. It does, however, work, and I want to be clear that it's okay. So, it's just not a good idea. So we're going to subtract the natural log of 2m plus 9 from both sides. And so I'm going to get the natural log of 3m plus 7
Minus natural log.
Okay. And that's going to equal
0.
0. Okay.
Quadratic formula.
No.
What?
Just kidding.
Yeah.
Using the division rule.
Put them together using a log rule.
So you have to check your answer.
Yeah, now I'll have to check my answer, of course, because I did this. So I'll put them together, and I'll get natural log of 3m plus 7 divided by 2m plus 9, and that's going to equal 0.
No, that's gross. You can do the e to
Eat the stuff.
Okay, and then I could do e to the stuff, or I could think about write it in exponential form, right?
You can do 0 product rule to it.
Can't do zero product rule to it. There's only the one thing, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is a function label applied to this stuff, right? So there's only one thing here. So I do e to the stuff, I get 3m plus 7 over 2m plus 9 is 1. Then what? So notice, down here this turned into an algebra 1 problem, right? Over here, where am I?
Pre-calc.
Definitely algebra 2. This is a chapter 9 problem, right? A rational function, or a scary fraction.
That's scary.
So how do I solve equations with scary fractions? No, because we can do these now. You guys are getting good at math. Multiply both sides by 2m plus 9. Right? Multiply through by the common bottom. That'll get me back to my algebra 1 problem, and then I can solve it again. You guys see that?
No, it won't.
Yeah,
So-
you get something a little bit different.
What?
You have a minus.
I got 3m plus 7 is 2m plus 9.
Yeah, but that's 3m minus 7.
Oh, that's just because I'm an idiot. Where did I lose a minus sign?
Up there, immediately.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you guys see you let me lose a minus sign?
Yeah.
If it was.
So, good. That's a really great joke. Really good. That should be a minus, right?
Okay.
And then we're back into that.
That wasn't that
Can we add
It
any more
wasn't
steps?
that bad.
No. How could we make
It's
this
not
so
as easy,
complicated?
but.
Yeah, it's not horrible, right? But I'm now obligated to check my m is 16, and I wasn't obligated to over there. Also, I had to remember how the division log rule worked, and then I had to remember how to do a slightly harder problem. Cool? Questions, concerns?
So practice